Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous summer 2025 wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you're new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. The energy of this reading could be reversal. For some of you, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment, okay? Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What the Scorpio needs to know about everything. Love, money, career, business, and studies. Give me that accurate and reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. What is going on with my fellow Scorpios? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. Let me see your high energy and this reading. First, we have the King of Cups. This is a water sign energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing or attracting a water sign or a matured father figure. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You could be the matured father figure. I feel like somebody here viewed you as the divine counterpart. I feel like somebody here wants to explore your deepest emotion. It doesn't matter if you're male or female. In tarot, there is no gender. For some of you, I feel like you have the same experience. You are both having an emotional intelligence because of your painful experience in the past. And aside from that, you are intuitive. You are following your intuition. Could also that this person loves you deeply. You matter to them. Could be a matured father figure, or you are the one who is a matured father figure and you are going to explore the deepest feelings of this person. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person needs your support or you are the one who needs a support from this person. Let me see. Your challenge here is, this is the Temperance. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 14, 11, 11, 44. 11, 11 is your twin flame journey. Or it could also that this is the day of your birthday. Or you are dealing with a person who is 44 years old, or you are 44 years old and you were born in the 11th of the month. It doesn't matter. For some of you, this is balance and harmony. This person view you that you have balance in your life. Your mind, body, and soul. If this is the past person, because this is your challenge, I feel like they wants to give you balance. Could be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, because these are the cards come out here. It could also be that in the past, this person did you something wrong and they wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. Others of you guys, I feel like somebody here need patience. It could also be that this is your energy. You are moving slowly. You don't want to move a rush. Action, because you are prioritizing your inner peace and the tranquility of your surroundings. It could also be that you are advised here to continue your healing journey. Somebody have viewed you as a healer, or this person needs to heal the old wounds between you and them. Could also that this person is, come out from the toxic relationship and they needs healing. That's why they are patiently moving in the situation. Either a Sagittarius or a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, this is your challenge. If this is your ex, this person wants to give you balance and he wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. If this is a new person, they viewed you as a healer. You could be a healer or an earth angel. Of course, not all of you. Let me see, the spiritual lesson here is, this is the Four of Cups. Somebody here is bored. Somebody here is feeling stuck in the old situation. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. Could also be a group of 4 people. This could also be the people in the past who are coming against you for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 444. Others of you, this is related to your solid foundation, your stability. Could also that this is related to your home. Or this is the energy of a Cancer. Could also that you are dealing with a Cancer or a water sign. Somebody here viewed you that you are not accepting any offer, that this is a new person. Somebody have missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to turn around. The past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Others of you, you have learned your lesson from this person. Could also be a group of 4 people. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Let me see. The other situation in the past is the 9 of Swords. Oh my gosh. Somebody here couldn't get you out of their mind. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Not necessary. Could also be any other sign or a group of 9 people. It could also be that these are the people who are coming against you in the past. They tried to throw you under the bus by all means. For whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. When I say they throw you under the bus, it is not literally. This is metaphorically. I don't know what they have done on you. Now they have nightmares, they have stress, they are having an anxiety. They couldn't sleep in the nights for some of these people. It could also be that this is your energy because you have too much overthinking and worrying in the future. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to liberate your thoughts. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. And you have always an infinite potential to liberate your thoughts from mental slavery. But I do feel that these are the past people because you are no longer accepting their, reconciliation. Maybe you forgive them, but you will not reconcile them. And that's why somebody has missed the opportunity. It could also that this is your energy because you want to offer a cup of love to somebody else, or you want to support, or you want to tell them, hey Scorpio, or whatsoever, we are going to support you, to inspire you, but you are not accepting the past people anymore because you are tired and sick. They talk your kindness as your weakness. Whatever this group of people have done to you, their guilt eating them alive. Could also be your ex, could also be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. An air sign is involved here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let me see. The present energy here is, sorry guys. This is the, okay, the hangman. You could be dealing or attracting a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart for some of you. Somebody here is suffered in silence. There could be a correlation with this group of 9 people who backstab you, who betrayed you, who tarnished your reputation, who tried to throw you under the bus, by all means because of jealousy and envy. Their guilt eating them alive. You look. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 999, number 444, 49, 94, and or this person could also be in your workplace, because it could also be that you are, a victim of bullying, discrimination in the workplace. And this person, a group of people, tried to isolate you. Now you are no longer sacrificing with this person or group of people because you have learned your lesson. Others of you guys, you are no longer entertaining their games. That's why you cut off the ties. You are no longer communicating with them anymore because you are tired and sick with their BS. Can you imagine the backstab you with the 9 of Swords? This is not a joke. Now, they are sufferings with their own, with their own actions in the past. I don't know what they have done on you. They are sacrificing in silence. It could also that this is a new person or this is your ex. They suffered in silence because they betrayed you in the past and you are no longer giving them another chance. That's why somebody here feeling bored or they viewed you that you are not accepting the reconciliation. For some of you guys, you have an epiphany about this person or group of people. That's why you cut the ties off. You don't care with them anymore. They are suffering in silence. They have stress and anxiety. But you don't care because they don't care as well what they have done on you in the past. A Pisces is involved here. Or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a Sagittarius is involved here as well. I don't know what they have done on you. But also that these are the collaboration of a group of 9 people. They are collaborating against you. By all means, they try to throw you under the bus because of jealousy and envy. Now, they taste their own medicine. Their guilt eating them alive, and they are sacrificing in silence. While you have an epiphany of who they are, because you have seen the truth of who they are, you have balance in your life. You choose to heal. Your first card is the King of Cups. You bet them with your unconditional love. This person, a group of people, didn't love themselves. They have seen that you love yourself, that you are happy, and that's why they did this to you because of jealousy and envy. For some of you, you could be the catalyst of this person or group of people. The Temperance is the energy of an earth angel. And that's why you come across in their lives, because you are the one to awaken them. Because these are the people who are having a low self-esteem, unhealed poor souls. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to find a sacred space to contemplate in order for you to know what is the reason why you are feeling like in a limbo. Let me see. The future is the Three of Pentacles. This is an earth sign energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Normally, this is the energy of a Capricorn. You could be dealing or attracting a Capricorn or an earth sign, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart. For some of you, of course, not all of you. Could also that these are the people in the past who are coming against you. A minimum of 3 people. The power of 3, the power of 4, The power of 9. Can you imagine how powerful you are? Because this person or group of people will not collaborate against you because there is something inside you that they don't have and they couldn't have. Of course, the temperance is the energy of an earth angel. And that's why they are triggered. You could be a chosen one, a spiritual warrior, or an earth angel, the temperance. And that's why this person or group of people are triggered with your lights because these are the low vibes, energy draining vampires. They try to hinder or block your work, your creativity, your career, your financial success and stability in the past. Could also be that these are the same people who wants to collaborate with you in the future because they have seen that you have a golden opportunity. They have seen that you are balanced or they wants to give you balance. They have seen that you are intuitive and you love yourself unconditionally, that you are unshakable, the King of Cups. That's why they wants to tell you, Scorpio, we are here to collaborate with you. Or there are people who wants to collaborate with your work, your creativity, your knowledge, your talents, your skills. I don't know what this is all about. Or they are learning from you. Somebody here could also be studying on you. Could also be that for some of you guys, you could also be, having, apprentice at work. You are studying, you are learning because you want to take an action with this new creative spark. And that's why you are gathering some information, studying, learning, or somebody is studying, learning from you because they wants to collaborate you or they wants to work with the situation. I don't know who is this person. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let me see. Your attitude is the Six of Spades. I told you, congratulations. You could be dealing with a person who is attention seeker. Could be a Leo. Or you have a Leo in your birth chart for some of you. You have her success and recognition. You are being recognized. And this person wants to have your spotlight because they are attention seeker. Or you are dealing with a person who's in the public eye. You could be in the public eye, but you are being recognized here. There are people who are supporting you, especially your soul family and soul tribes. If you think that nobody is supporting you, the universe sending you people who is going to support you or they already supported you. If you have platform in social media, there are people who wants to see you win. These are your like-minded people, your so-called soul family and soul tribes. Only 6 people don't like that you have success and recognition because these are your so-called frenemies, haters. This could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. Only these 6 people. But you don't care. You are divinely supported here towards your journey. You are being recognized. So continue what you have started. Could also that you need to gather some information in order for you to have more success. But you are already recognized here. There are people who love to see you win. These are the like-minded people and your family, your soul family and soul tribes. Sorry. A Leo is involved here, but also that he doesn't want you to succeed. They tried to hinder everything, your work, your career, your legacy. That's why they are feeling, anxiety. They have nightmares. They couldn't sleep because of what they have done on you. A group of 9 people involves this sign come out in this reading. Pisces, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, a Sagittarius, an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. These are the people who are collaborating against you. Double confirmation with Pisces. If this is your ex, this person viewed you that you are no longer accepting them in their lives. That's why they couldn't sleep. Their guilt eating them alive. Or the group of 9 people who are coming against you. They couldn't believe that you have success and recognition. Let me see your the outside influence is the 5 of Cups. I told you they are disappointed, feeling regretful and remorseful of what they have done on you. You know why? Because whatever they plan against you, it didn't work. Because for some of you guys, you are innocent. And this person or group of people come against you because you look an earth angel, the temperance. And that's why they're coming against an earth angel, a chosen one. I never see all of you. If you are on the right path, this is your reading. Now they are so regretful and remorseful. They are disappointed. They are sacrificing in silence because you have victory. You are being recognized here. Now they plan to work the situationship and to collaborate with you. It's too late. Could also be a group of 5 people. Involves a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. There could be a significant meaning to you with the number 555. You could be born on the 5th of the month, or you could be 55 years old, you could be 50 years old, or 555 is significant in this reading. This could be your change, and that's why they are feeling regretful and remorseful. They are so sad that you changed, when in fact they are the one who is the reason to make you change. If this is your energy, do not cry over spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Maybe you are disappointed with this person or group of people because despite of your love and support, they are not reciprocating your value. Instead, they backstab you with the 9 of Swords. They want you to sacrifice in silence. They sacrifice you to the devil because of jealousy and envy. They tried to throw you under the bus by all means. Well, whoever you are, good luck. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is, this is, just a minute. Das Gerik. This is the Judgment. You look, you could be dealing or attracting a Sagittarius or a fellow Scorpio. They are going to face in the court, if this is related to the court, or they are under judgment for what they have done in the past. It could also be that this person or group of people are going to face a physical court or a spiritual court because they are under judgment. For some of you, you are done. You are ascending into a higher frequency. This is related to your internal and spiritual transformation. You cannot go back with this person or group of people because for some of these people, guys, they have seen the truth but they're still believing the lies. I told you, they are not accepting the consequences of their action. They will not, they will not try, when they are refusing to accept the consequences of their action, they remain in the old vibes because of their ego. And you are ascended here. You look, you are not the same person before. For some of these people, guys, they want to return, to apologize, and if possible, to reconcile with you. Forgiveness is important here. Not because they deserve it, but because of your blessings, but because of your peace. Reconciliation, I don't know, because I don't know what they have done on you. I couldn't say, hey, Scorpio, you need to be vulnerable to open your heart. I heard some readers will say that. You need to be vulnerable. You need to be open your hearts because they are not, I don't know. You cannot vulnerable with these low vibes people. We can forgive, but We don't need to go back with this person or group of people. We can forgive them in silence. I will not recommend you to be, hey, Scorpio, you need to show your love, your compassion. I don't know why they are telling that to other, whoever you are. They will force you to be vulnerable. Oh my gosh, whatever. This is, the awakening call. But also that this person is awakened. But also that this person is now leaving the karmic situation because they are awakened. A Sagittarius or a Scorpio is involved here. There is no turning back here because you're done and you're awakened. And the people who mess you up is going to undergone the spiritual and physical court. That's why they couldn't sleep. You look, that's why they are sacrificing in silence because these are all their wishes on you. It backfires on them. For some of you guys, you have nothing to do with them. You are an earth angel. I never see all of you. They did this to you because of jealousy and envy. And that's why it backfires. Their guilt eating them alive. Let me see the outcome here. The Seven of Pentacles. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 777. You could be born on the 7th of the month or in 1977. Or the person you are dealing with. They reap what they sow. You look. The judgment and they reap what they sow. While you are also reaping the seeds you planted in the past. There is growth here. It could also be that for some of you guys, you are not satisfied. The universe advises you to be very patient and to continue what you are doing. Because if you want to build an empire, it will not happen in 24 hours. It could also that there is something you need to change. That's why you need to gather some information here. This is the outcome. Could also that these are the group of 7 people who are coming against you. This is related to your career, your work, your love life, your finances because of jealousy and envy. Now they are reaping what they sow. There could be a money involved here. An earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is involved here. A Sagittarius, a fellow Scorpio, a water sign, a fire sign is involved in this situation and an earth sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Somebody who wants to work with this situationship. If this is a new person, this person wants to invest with you, but they view you that you are not accepting any offer. That's why they are feeling bored and stuck. That's why they couldn't sleep because they couldn't get you out of their mind. If this is a new person, they wants to invest you and they are struggling because this person knew that you love yourself unconditionally, the King of Cups, and that's why they are feeling rejected by you because they view you that you have everything, that you don't need anybody else. That's why they are struggling, sacrificing in silence, but they couldn't get you out of their mind. An earth sign, an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is involved in this situation. Let me see the clarification of this reading. Why the Hangman here, please? Why the Hangman in this reading, please? It is clarified as withdrawn. I told you, single, lonely, solitary. That's why they're sacrificing in silence. If this is a new person or your ex, the same. If this is a new person, they're sacrificing in silence because they viewed you that you choose to be alone than to be with a person who is in and out of their lives. If these are the past people, you prefer to be alone than to be with this manipulative person who is always, you look, doing wishy-washy behind the scenes, backstabbing, betraying, and tarnishing your reputation. Could be that you are dealing or attracting a Pisces. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. They are sacrificing in silence because you withdrawn with their games. Clarify me, Father. Why the Nine of Swords in this reading? Why the Nine of Swords, please? It is clarified as bitterness. They are bitter. You know why? Because their plan didn't work the way they want to be. They have nightmares. You are the worst nightmare of this person or group of people. Their guilt eating them alive. You look, these are the past people. A group of 9 people involves applying monkeys. A narcissist with lying monkeys around who are collaborating against you. Now they are better. You look, an air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Clarify me, Father. Why the judgment in this reading? Please tell me more about the judgment here. It is clarified as distracted, sidetrack, change, delays. This person believe that they can distract the judgment. Whoever you are, good luck. You look, whether they're distracted or not, you will come, you will arrive in this situation that you are going to face the court, the final judgment, whoever you are. It could also be that there is delays in this situation because somebody had delayed this circumstances, this situation. Somebody have putting blockage, or your blessings is already there because this is the judgment. Your blessings is already prepared, but there is a little bit delays because somebody here put delays. You look, or they tried to delay or to put blockage with this transformation, with this final revelation, the judgment. I don't think that they can hinder it because the energy of an earth angel and the judgment, the temperance and the judgment is here. An earth angel energy. Take only what fits in your story. Good luck, whoever you are. Clarify me, Father. Why the 5 of Cups in this reading? It is clarified as thinking, missing you, craving, desiring. This person is thinking, they couldn't stop thinking you. They couldn't get you out of their mind. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Normally, this is the energy of a Scorpio. They are craving on your energy. Take only what fits in your story. They are only disappointed because you have her recognition. And they believe that you are not accepting their offer. You look, 4 of Cups. Miss the opportunity. Clarify me, Father. Why the 4 of Cups in this reading, please? It is clarified as memories, reminiscing, willing, bittersweet. For some of you guys, you are no longer engaging your energy to them because you are tired and sick with their BS. All they can do is to reminisce the bittersweet memories with you. Could be a Cancer or a water sign. Clarify me, Father. Why the 3 of Pentacles in this reading? It is clarified as intuition, hurts, song, telepathy, and knowing. This person view you that you are intuitive. It could also that this person wish that you are not going to listen to your intuition. This person could be a Capricorn, not necessary, could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They viewed you as an intuitive person and they hope that you are not listening to your intuition. Somebody here wants to collaborate with you. They are working with a situationship. These are also the group of 3 people in the past who are coming against you. In the past, it could also be that they tried to block your crown chakra so that you cannot listen to your intuition. They doesn't want you to continue your work because of jealousy and envy. That's why they put blockage, or they are going to put blockage. Good luck, whoever you are, because this is the future. They doesn't want you to listen to your intuition because of jealousy and envy, because they couldn't manipulate you. Capricorn could be, or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Clarify me, Father, why the Six of Wands in this reading? There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 66666. Please pay attention. Clarity. You want clarity from this person, or this person wants to tell you the truth. I don't know. They wants to tell you the truth because they wants to be the part of your success. Could be a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart. Could also be a group of 6 people. In your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors. These are the people who don't like to see you win, but you are her divinely protected and guided towards your journey. You are being recognized here. The universe sent you your soul family and soul tribes to support you, the like-minded people. That's why you don't need them in your life anymore. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the Seven of Pentacles in this reading? Please tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles. Clinging, holding on, obsessing, spying. This person could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They are now reaping what they sow. Whoever you are, go and heal yourself. But they couldn't let you go. They are obsessed on you. Could also be a group of 7 people. Not necessarily. Could also be this person who was born in 1977 or on the 7th of the month, or you are the one who was born in this month and day. You are reaping the seeds you planted in the past, and they are reaping the consequences of their action, the karma. What goes around comes back around. And one of their karma is obsessing and clinging on your energy. If this is a new person, they wants to invest you. Not only they wants to invest you, they are obsessing on you. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates with you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.